actually think this is a pretty easy fix. There are now 2 instances of Microsoft Office on your computer, both the initial trial that you had and now your new subscription service, that are probably conflicting with each other. This might be an easy fix, but it also might not work. So try the steps in this video, and if they don't work, just let me know, and there's some other things we can try. So first, you're going to need your web browser. It doesn't really matter which one you use. I think typically you use the Edge, the E, so that I'm going to use Explorer, and you're going to type in Office License Repair, okay, using Control Panel. And you can type it all in, or you can just click that, and then it should come up. It doesn't really matter which way you do it, and you'll come up to this screen that will offer you this link. This is the one you want. It's the second one, not this first one, but the second one. https support.office.com. If you are following along so far, you should have this page. It looks like this, and you're going to select your operating system. You have Windows 10. Now, it's going to tell you to come down here and click on this button, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we're just going to type in directly the feature that we want right here in the search bar. Because if you click on this, you might not, I don't remember if you have it set up or not, that you can actually see this. So you're just going to click in the search bar, and you're going to type apps and features. You'll see this program come up. So you click on it. It's going to show you all of your different apps that you can use. But the one you want is Microsoft Office. Click that, and you're going to modify it. Now, I have to do this this password, which, by the way, don't tell them I know this. However, you should not have to do this. If it does ask you for a password, you just put in your regular computer password. Okay, and it's going to come up like this, and you want to click Repair. Now, I'm not actually going to do this because, mine works fine, and I don't want to cause any problems. But click Repair, hit Continue. At that point, the tool should run. It should take care of it. If it asks you any questions about do you want to install this or download, you just say yes, and it should be easy. And again, if it doesn't work, just let me know, and we can work with that too.